Hi you guys, so normally Nick's the one doing these unboxings, but I got a special one. This is called from Lit Haven booktique, and I'm super excited about this one because I literally ordered this on like Tuesday and it is Thursday and I got it already. Alright, so I'm sure we'll get nice. I feel bad like even cutting this box open, like it's really pretty. Oh, we got a tag on here. That was a lot easier. Alright, okay. Oh, this is pretty. So, oh, this artwork. Okay, so that. Both sides. And it says, explore your fantasy, define your reality. And it says 18 plus, proceed with caution. So I'm gonna look at the stuff first before I can show it to you to make sure it's okay. Alright. Oops. Alright, so first I got gilded edges are done by our printer. So this just talks what I should keep in mind with gilded edges. It's foil applied to the edges of the book. It can be sensitive. Avoid scratchy or rough materials. Here it just talks about some of the books that they have. And this little thank you on the back. And then this is actual artwork of Sam Kyle and Diana. And it says it is officially licensed in the back. So that's really cool. The next one is a little bit racier, so I can't show that one. But it's really awesome. Okay. Now, bring this back over. Okay. And this is my first like foil edged book. So, yeah. I am super excited. Oh, it's so big. This book is definitely a heavy book. Let's get in a nice little bag here. Looks like I gotta cut this bag open. Oh, here's some scissors. Just trying to be careful. Hey guys. Pretty. Oh, it is so smooth. That is the book. Here is the spine. Look at that. There's Diana on the back. This is just really pretty. I got the one that is supposed to, it says like it's supposed to have damage to it, because it was a little bit cheaper, but I don't see any damage to this book. So yeah, it is super pretty. I just get like, it's very smooth to the touch. Oh. Got Diana there with her fire and her dragon. Prophecy remains. One falls, one rises, and the end begins. It was foretold and will remain. Oh, we've got stuff on the inside here as well. Here's the actual book. Alright, if you guys haven't noticed, I love this series. I'm even more in love with this book now. I'm literally trying to get like every version that I can. Alright. And then here is the back. One carved from darkness, one carved from light, the world will shudder. CM Kyle. There's the back of the book. That's cool with the hearts, the city, and there's that. And then that is Amber V. Nicole, the author. And I know that she is supposed to go to Imaginarium again in DC next year. Fortunately, from what I've seen, they're already sold out for tickets, so it kind of sucks. But this is really cool. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna have to reread the series just because. Well, actually, Nick and I finally finished the third book. It took us a while to listen to it, but we did finally finish it. And I already had the pre-ordered for book 4 that comes out October 28th. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys for following me.